Okay, so would you like to know how to make some free video intros using some free software? Let's go and check it out. Okay, so you want to head over to panzoid.com, and then when you're in here, you've got all these clips. There's loads, so you can just search through them all. I mean, for the purpose of this, I'm just going to pick one, and you select it, and you say Open in Clip Maker. And then when you're in here, obviously it looks a bit complex. There's quite a lot of stuff, but essentially, if you just want to change the title, you just click on this little box, and then you've got a lot of this text here, and then you just click on the text and just change it to what you want. I'm just going to change it to Banksy, and we'll do that on each one. Okay, and then when you're done, I mean, I've noticed you have to sort of click off it to get it to sort of go through. Anyway, so when you're done, I mean, there's loads of other stuff. You can play around with height, you can play around with colours and this, that and the other. For the purpose of this really quick tutorial, I'm literally just going to change the text, and then you want to click download, and then it's going to start video render. I'll just pause the video while this does this. It takes about 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, so we're back. That's now done. And we just download. And there you go, so we'll just drop it in there. And then we can have a look at it. There you go. Pretty good. Yeah, if we head back to home. So yeah, just make sure, if we see you're going to use this, head over to the About page, check out all the terms and stuff. I think what a lot of the people want is just credit. So you can just, if you want to use one of these, then just link to them. But anyway, yeah, they'll all have different terms. So there you go. Hope it helped. Okay, so there you go. Make sure you check the terms and conditions upon each video. Some of them, like I say, will require credits. Just make sure you read all that. Other than that, great tool. Have a little play around.